5 options for cooking oils or fats and their shelf life for emergency food storage. Like and share this video because this is one of those topics that everyone wants to know but not enough people create content about. Okay, so we'll start with the regular cooking oils that we usually get, like canola, vegetable, olive oil. I put all of them in the short-term category because they can usually last 2 to 3 years, give or take, if left unopened and stored in a cool, dry, dark place, which is how you should be storing all of these stuff that I'm going to mention. Then there's coconut oil, which can easily last about 4 to 5 years. Then we have cans of Crisco, which can last about 5 years easily. Next we have ghee. This can last about 7 years, but many prepper sites say it'll last forever. Also, my family in Pakistan make it and use it. They've never had it expire on them. They say it'll last 10 to 15 years easily, but still, based on the research I did, 7 years is where you'll have no issues if it's left unopened. Then there's butter powder, which can last 10 years, and you just need to add some water to prepare it. So these are all your options.